Hello, my pottery posse. Today is a little bit different. We are discussing wax resist. Now, this video started out as just a video generally about wax resist, and then something happened. Keep watching to find out what it is. I think you're gonna want to see this. If you have no idea who I am, I'm sorry. My name is Emily Edens. I am the PotterEden. Welcome to my channel. Okay. I hope you love a good story time, because here it goes. So I was minding my own business, just trying to film a video about wax resist, when I opened up my container and realized that it was semi-dried out. So it wasn't all the way rock solid, but just malleable enough to squish it and crack the top. I wasn't sure what to do, so I started reading the side of the label, which said that it was water-soluble wax resist. So I had a few ideas, but I decided I would take it to the interwebs and see what other people were doing about it. Well, this is what I got. So I laughed a little and decided to take matters into my own hands. So I went to the kitchen and started heating up some water.
I also decided that since the water was already hot, I would make myself some tea. Why not?
So I grabbed a fork and started breaking up all of the wax resist. And my tea should be done steeping.
Absolutely smashing, darling.
And you really want to make sure that your wax resist is not going to get on your worktop, because it can get on other pieces and mess things up for you. I'm hoping that the heat from the water is going to help to melt the wax a little bit, and since it's water soluble, putting water in it is not going to hurt it. I don't want to put it in the microwave because I feel like that's not going to be good for it.
Ooh, such lovely tea.
So we're going to try this and see what happens. Just looking at the runniness and the consistency that this is now, I think this is going to work. It's just going to take a little bit of time.
One month later.
Well, that's not exactly what I was expecting. And it doesn't even drip. But there is this little blue strip at the bottom. I'm wondering if that is some settled liquids or something. I think I'm gonna pour this out into a separate container and just see if I can fix this. Because if not, I have to get new wax resist. Yes, that is exactly what I was hoping would happen. So it all separated, the top was more solidified, and the bottom was all the liquids that I put in it. So let's mix this up and see what happens. Alrighty, I think this is as good as it's gonna get right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour it back into my original container. Again, please be careful not to get this on your worktop because, again, you can get wax resist on your pieces from having it on the tabletop. Now, you can always put a piece of wax paper underneath so that if you do spill, it gets on the wax paper. I do want to do this, but I am too lazy to go do it right now, so I think I'm just gonna let it spill first and then force myself to go up and get it.
Trees, 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 grommet.
Yep, and there it is. And here's my piece of wax paper. And now that I'm done placing my wax resist exactly where I want it, it is time for the ultimate test to see if this wax resist is actually going to work, if I fixed it, or if I need some new wax resist. It is time for glazing. It definitely seemed to work. As you can see, the glaze actually collected a whole lot more than normal. So it's going to take a lot more effort for me to clean this off with my sponge. Is it worth it? Not necessarily. Let's finish this glaze combo, get it in the kiln, and we'll see how it comes out. I also made some glaze combo test tiles for you. You're welcome. So I was going for a beach look, like waves on the beach, and I think I need to add another glaze or two on top of this. So maybe look for it in another kiln unloading. Now this final look on this mug is actually top secret. So here is a little bitty sneak peek, just so you can see how the wax resist worked out. Well, folks, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it was helpful. I know that it might not work for your wax resist, but it sure did work for mine.
Thank you for watching.
If you would like to leave suggestions in the comment section about what you'd like for me to do a video on, you should do that. Not that I'm running out of ideas, but I want to make content that you want to see. So, do that. If you'd like, it would be great if you would just subscribe right here, and then if you could just watch another video, that would be cool too. And maybe a playlist, maybe like it. Until next week, goodbye, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu.